And Mwangi. Now, Nakumatt Supermarket's employees have sued the retailer for unpaid dues, adding to pressure of the billions of shillings worth of debt alongside other court cases. Now, the employees, through the Kenya Union of Commercial Food and Allied Workers, KUKFAO, accused Nakumatt of various things. And the first one is for the delay of their salaries. And we've seen this story being highlighted in days past. We have the failure to pay them for overtime worked. We have non-implementation of the 11% salary increase, which is from the May 1st, 2017 as agreed, rather from May 1st, 2017 as agreed in the collective bargaining agreement. And see, the retail chain has also unilaterally reduced workers' shift hours from 13 to 10 hours in seeking to cut down overtime pay. And Nakumatt is also accused of not remitting statutory reductions. Now, which reductions are these, and statutory reductions specifically that are which are not being remitted? First and foremost, we have the pensions, then the pay-as-you-earn dedications, and we also have the loan repayments, SACCO contributions, private insurance schemes deductions, as well as union dues. Now, Nakumatt is not only being sued by the workers, but there's other people who are suing them, and these include, first and foremost, Thika Road Mall, or better known as TRM, which is demanding 51 million shillings in rent arrears. We also have African Cotton Industries, which has actually filed for 70 million debt claim seeking insolvency of Nakumatt. Now, we've known Nakumatt has been having a number of issues when it comes to its finances, and the debt has been growing over the months, over the years. And the total debt, which is according to a document by the State Department of Trade, shows that the total debt is 30 billion shillings. And what is owed to suppliers is 15 billion shillings. And the commercial papers are 7 billion shillings. And Nakumatt owes banks 8 billion shillings. And that is the debt situation that Nakumatt is in.